Hello everyone, welcome back to Do It Easy after such a long time. So today we'll start with a video where we will see how we can remove any unwanted object or any element from our picture. So for this we'll go to the site that is cleanup.pictures. I will mention that link in the description so that you can also check. Here we'll select that option and we'll select an image. I will select the option that is continue with SD, and here this is our image. Suppose I just want to remove that element from my picture. I will select that and leave the cursor. It will replace that image and fill the background with the relative surrounding of it. So here you can see it has removed. So in this way you can remove any unwanted element from your images. Let's take another example. I will select another image and here it is. Now in this I want to remove that card. I will select that one and leave the cursor. And yeah, here you can see it's removed. So yeah, if you are looking to cut out any element from your image, you can definitely check out this video and the website link mentioned in this video. Hope you have find this video helpful for you. Thank you for now. Bye.